In the previous video, we have discussed about coolers. But coolers aren't enough. You need more. You need airflow. तो क्या है ये airflow? जानेंगे इस वीडियो में. This is Pratap and welcome back to my channel, Mr. Joystick. As you know from the title, today's video is all about airflow. And the only way you can promote airflow in your computer case is fan. So fans are today's prime subject. Our prime guest is fan. Now, there are two different types of fans available in the market. One is airflow fans, one is static pressure fans. So, when do you need what? Where the basic difference lies? All of them consist of a motor and some blades, but the basic difference is its blades. The static pressure fans are designed for more and more static pressure rather than airflow. It pushes the air in a pressure rather than its volume. But in case of airflow fans, the blades are designed for more and more airflow rather than its pressure, which means it pushes or pulls more and more volume of air rather than its pressure. So when do you need which one? If you are using your fan on your radiator or your heatsink, then you need a static pressure fans, because the air needs to pass through a lot of obstacles. So you need more pressure, so you need static pressure. Now, only cooling down your processor or your graphics card isn't enough. You need to cool down your RAM, your hard drive, your motherboard itself. In those cases, you can't install a heatsink on your whole motherboard or a radiator on your whole motherboard. In that case, you need a case fan. You need case flow. For case flow, you need airflow fans. Now, अब अगर case flow fan के बारे में बात करें, तो there are two types. One is positive case flow, one is negative case flow. अब देखिए क्या है. Basic difference in the ratio of exhaust and intake. Now you know you can install your fan as a exhaust or as intake. So the thing is, if you install more intake fans than exhaust fan, then your airflow system is called positive airflow. If you install more exhaust fan than intake fans, then it's negative airflow. So when do you need positive, when do you need negative? अगर आप कोई ऐसे जगह रह रहे हो जहाँ पे वेदर गर्म है, then you need negative airflow because the air itself is warm, so it can't cool down well. So you need more air to get in and further more air to get out. Your air must not be blocked in your case because it will itself warm up fast because it's already warm. अगर आप कोई ठंडे जगह पे रह रहे हो, then a positive airflow is enough because your weather air is already cool, so their cooling capability is already more than enough. So if the air gets in and blocks inside for some time, there is no harm because it is already cool. It will take time to warm itself up. So in a nutshell, if you are using your fan on your radiator or your heatsink, you need static pressure fan. All else you need airflow fan. Now that positive negative funda, if you are in a warm country like India, then you need negative airflow. If you are in a cold country like Australia, I hope Australia is a cold country. So if you are in a cold country like Australia, then you need positive airflow. So that's the basic funda of airflow. It's a small subject, you know. So I hope you have enjoyed the video, and if you have enjoyed the video, hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, then go subscribe and hit the bell icon. तब तक के लिए नमस्कार, टाटा and sayonara. And this is Pratap signing out, and I'll see you in the next one.